Hi friends, I hope you are fine today. I have restaurant menu in 3 different files: AI, EPS and PSD. These files for Adobe Illustrator and one file for Adobe Photoshop CC. So I open this file. First I show you this design. You adjust your image here, you can change color, you write your own menu, or you can add your price, your delivery order, or you can add your QR barcode, write your domain, and here is same thing. You can adjust your menu, change color, change shape, design, and change background color, or apply any color or gradients, overlay or pix. So I open this file, drag to Photoshop, and these files in CMYK color mean printable files. And you see here in layer area, menu left, menu middle and menu right, shape. You see shape, and here, there and here. You change color, or you can apply gradients overlay. Okay, and you can adjust image about restaurant related. I have some burger photos, so I adjust this file, open, and these files in high definition. And convert to 1500, and then drag here. I think 20 is better. Okay, adjust this file here, right click, create clipping mask. Okay, Control S. No. Wow. And you can write anything here. Today special. Okay, I close there. You need font file, but I give you a link of this font, so you can download free. Sheri can free file. Sheri can do, write anything. You can write anything. For example, I write Sheri Sk, and you can change shape, color, double click here, or you can apply gradients overlay or multiply. Wow, here is better, but I just color. Okay, you can adjust one by one, or you can add easily. Okay, and last color. Wow. I close this file and open this next file. Same here, this file in CMYK color, and this is trifold of our restaurant menu. Here you can adjust photo, double click here, and open this file. This file high definition, so I convert this file 1000. Drag here, right click, create clipping mask, Okay, you can adjust here. I tell you just for example. You see here, and you can adjust here any picture. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.